Prabhuji, I think Jagdish Madhurya Prabhu was to give. Can you just ask him? Prabhuji, you want to give?
Jagdish.
Yeah,
Yes,
today was
Prabhuji, I
Jagdish
can
Madhurya
give.
Prabhu's turn.
Okay, Prabhuji, please begin.
Okay, thank you. So, Hare Krishna, dear devotees, for my own purification and for the pleasure of all the devotees, I would like to speak some words which I heard in one of the lecture by His Grace Amben Prabhu. So, Prabhuji was giving a class on Harinam Ki Mahima. So, in that class, Prabhuji quoted a verse from Shiv Mahapuran, and the verse goes something like this. The verse is Agnischa Shitatam Yato Jalam Cha Sthalatam Gatam Sthalatam Jalatam Yatam Visham Cha Amritatam Gatam Shastrani Pushpa Bhavam Cha Harere Nama Cha Kirtanam. So the meaning of this verse is like Agnischa Shitatam Yato means the Agni, which by nature is hot, can feel like cool. It can feel like cold. Similarly, Jalam Cha Sthalatam Gatam. Jalam Cha means ocean can become into a land without water. And Sthalatam Jalatam Yatam means a land without water can turn into an ocean. And Visham Cha Amritatam Gatam means wish can turn into nectar. And Shastrani Pushpa Bhavam Cha, that a weapon can turn into a flower garland. And this all is possible just by Hare Nam Cha Kirtanam, just by chanting the holy name of the Lord. And Prabhuji went on and said that these all things are practical, and this has happened in the life of Prahlad Maharaj as well. That how Prahlad Maharaj was tried to be killed by burned alive in fire, but nothing happened to Prahlad Maharaj. He was tried to be killed by giving poison. He was tried to be killed by weapons and all sort of things. But still, nothing harmed Prahlad Maharaj. And why? Because Prahlad Maharaj was continuously chanting the name of Lord Hari. And continuing on the this poison point, Prabhuji told in the lecture that how Prabhuji gave the example of Lord Shiva, that how Lord Shiva also drank poison, but it did not impact Lord Shiva. Why? The reason is same, just because the Lord Shiva is also continuously chanting the name of Lord Hari, because continuously name of Lord Ram is coming from inside, and Vish, when it entered from outside, the Vish and Ram become Vishram. It's the effect got neutralized. Similarly, Prabhuji continued and said that we are also like in this Kali Yuga in material world, we are also facing a lot of poison. We are also subjected to a lot of poisons in the form of like someone is saying something wrong about us, or someone is planning to harm us, something like that. And when we hear that, we also become angry sometimes. It means that we are getting impacted by that poison, and that poison is impacting our consciousness. We say something which is not appropriate just by the impact of that poison. So Prabhuji told like what is the solution of this thing? How we can avoid this impact of the poison which we are regularly facing. So on this point, Prabhuji gave an example that the only solution is continuous chanting or chanting more. Means whatever we are chanting, if the quantity of the poison is more, then we have to chant more. That is the solution, or continuous chanting or else. But this is not possible. Prabhuji said that this is not possible because continuous chanting can be done when we have the taste in chanting. So what is the solution? So Prabhuji continued in the lecture that again he gave one more example, that just like a soldier who is fighting for his government, is fighting with the enemy and he's fighting bravely. So more he fight, more he defeat his enemy, the government and president is pleased. And once the president and government is pleased, president will reward him. Similarly, Prabhuji said that if we are performing devotional service, it means we are fighting a war against Maya. Like similarly, Prabhupada also has said in many lectures, in purport as well, Prabhupada has written that devotional service means fighting war against Maya. So we are also fighting war against Maya. If we fight, if we chant sincerely, if we chant with determination, then the president, who is Krishna himself, the president will be pleased. and he will reward us. And the reward is the taste in chanting, the Nama Ruchi. So once we have the Nama Ruchi, then only we can chant sincerely, and with our sincere chanting and continuous chanting, we can nullify the impact of this poison that we are facing regularly. So that is how Prabhuji concluded it. In order to get taste in chanting, we have to chant sincerely and with determination. Then Krishna will reward that taste in chanting. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.